Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to easily delete all of your emails in Gmail. A lot of people think that by clicking the Select button and choosing Select All, they've selected every email in their account. But actually, this only selects emails from the inbox, not all emails. To delete everything, go to the left sidebar, click More, and then select All Mail. Now, you can select everything and delete it at once. As you can see, my inbox has only 809 emails, but my total emails are 2,827. This method helps you clear out everything in just a few clicks. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.